Hello students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. In this channel, you will get daily one video related to different subjects such as English grammar, general knowledge, social science, mathematics and science. Today we will see a video related to mathematics subject. In that, today's topic is NCERT solution for class 7 mathematics. Chapter 2 fractions and decimals. Today we will solve exercise 2.6. So let's solve the exercise 2.6. First question is find 0.2 into 6. So 2 divided by 10 into 6. So 2 into 6 is 12. So 12 divided by 10. On dividing a decimal by 10, the decimal point is shifted to the left by one place. Then it is 1.2. So the answer is 1.2. Next, 8 into 4.6. 8 into 4 divided by 10. 4.6 means 46 divided by 10. So first we will multiply the numerators, that is 8 and 46. So it is 368. Now we will divide it by 10. So on dividing a decimal by 10, the decimal point is shifted to the left by one place. That is 36.8. Next, 2.71 into 5. 2.71. So first we will remove the decimals. So 271 divided by 100. Why 100? Because after the decimal there are two digits. So it is 100 into 5. Now 5 into 271, that is 1355 divided by 100. Now on dividing a decimal by 100, the decimal point is shifted to the left by two places. So 13.55, that is 13.55 is the answer. 20.1 into 4. So 20.1, the number after the decimal is 1. So we will divide by 10. 201 divided by 10 into 4. Now we will multiply 4 and 201. That is 804 divided by 10. On dividing by 10, the decimal point will shift to one place. That is 80.4. 211.02 into 4. Now after the decimal, two digits are there. So we will divide it by 100. So 21,102 divided by 100 into 4. Now we will multiply 21,102 by 4. So we will get 84,408 divided by 100. Now on dividing by 100, the decimal point is shifted to the left by two places. That is 844.08. 2 into 0.86. So 2 into 86 upon 100. So 2 into 86 is 172 upon 100. Now on dividing a decimal by 100, the decimal point is shifted to the left by two places. That is 1.72. Second question is find the area of rectangle whose length is 5.7 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. In the question it is given that length is 5.7 centimeter, breadth is 3 centimeter. Now we know that the area of rectangle is length into breadth. So we will multiply length and breadth, that is 5.7 into 3. So the answer is 17.1 centimeter square. Next, find 1.3 into 10. On multiplying a decimal by 10, the decimal point is shifted to the right by one place. So 1.3 into 10 is 13. Why 13? Because 1.3 means 13 divided by 10. 10 will cut, so it will become 13. 36.8 into 10. Now 36.8 upon, if we remove the decimal, it will become 168 upon 10. 10 will cut, so it will become 368. 153.7 into 10. If we remove the decimal point, so it will become 1530 37 upon 10. So 10 will cut, so it will become 1537. 168.07 into 10. If you multiply the decimal by 10, the decimal point is shifted to the right by one place. So it will become 1680, that is 1680.7. 31.1 into 100. On multiplying a decimal by 100, the decimal point is shifted to the right by two places. So 31.1 into 100 will become 3110. 156.1 into 100. On multiplying a decimal by 100, the decimal point is shifted to the right by two places. So it is 156.1 into 100. So we will get 15,610. 3.62 into 100. On multiplying a decimal by 100, it will shift to the right by two places. So 3.62 into 100. So decimal point will remove, so it will become 362. 43.07 into 100. So 43.07 into 100. So decimal will shift to the right by two places, so it will become 4307. 0.5 into 10. So 0.5 into 10. So after the decimal, if we are multiplying with 10, so decimal will shift to the right, so it will become 5. 0.08 into 10. 0.08 into 10 will become 0.8. Next, 0.9 into 100. So by multiplying a decimal by 100, the decimal point is shifted to the right by two places. So we will shift the decimal to the right by two places. So it will become 0.9 into 100 equals to 90. 0.03 into 1000. So on multiplying a decimal by 1000, the decimal point is shifted to the right by three places. So 0.03 into 1000 will become 30. Fourth question is, a two-wheeler covers a distance of 55.3 km in 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 10 liters of petrol? So distance covered by two-wheeler in 1 liter of petrol equals to 55.3 kilometers. If you are in 1 liter, it is 55.3 kilometers. So in 10 liter, how much it will be? So 10 into 55.3 kilometers, that is 553 kilometers. So two-wheelers covers a distance of in 10 kilometers of petrol is 553 kilometers. Next question is find. So 2.5 into 0.3. So 2.5, if we remove the decimal, it will become 25 upon 10. And 0.3, if we remove the decimal, it will become 3 upon 10. So first we will multiply the numerator, that is 25 and 3. So it will become 75. Then we will multiply the denominator. So it is 10 into 10, that is 100. On dividing a decimal by 100, the decimal point is shifted to the left by two places. So it will become 0.75. Next, 0.1 into 51.7. First we will remove the decimal from 0.1, so it will become 1 upon 10. Then we will remove the decimal from 51.7, so it will become 517 upon 10. Now we will multiply the numerators, that is 1 into 517, so it will become 517. And then we will multiply the denominator, so 10 into 10 is 100. Now when dividing a decimal by 100, the decimal point is shifted to the left by two places. So it will become 5.17. Next, 0.2 into 316.8. So 2 divided by 10 into 3168 divided by 10. Now we will multiply 2 into 3168. So it will become 6336 upon 100. Now on dividing a decimal by 100, the decimal point is shifted to the left by two places. So it will become 63.36. Next, 1.3 into 3.1. So 13 divided by 10 into 31 divided by 10. We will first multiply 13 and 31, so it will become 403. Then we will multiply 10 into 10, that is 100. Now the answer will become 4.03. Next, 0.5 into 0.05. So 0.5 will become 5 upon 10. 0.05 will become 5 upon 100. 5 into 5 will become 25, and 10 into 100, 1000. So by dividing a decimal by 1000, the decimal point is shifted to the left by 3 places. So it will become 0.025. 11.2 into 0.15. So 11.2 into 10 into 15 upon 100. So 112 into 15 will get 161680 upon 1000. On dividing a decimal by 1000, the decimal point is shifted to the left by 3 places. So it will become 1.680. Next, 1.07 into 0.02. So 1.07 will become 107 upon 100, and 0.02 will become 2 divided by 100. On multiplying 107 by 2, we will get 214, and 100 into 100 will become 10,000. On dividing a decimal by 10,000, the decimal point is shifted to the left by 4 places. So it will become 0.0214. Next, 10.05 into 1.05. 10.05, if we are removing the decimal, it will become 1005 upon 100, and 1.05 will become 105 upon 100. On multiplying 1005 into 105, we will get 1,05,525 upon 10,000. So the answer will be 10.5525. Next, 101 into 01 into 0.01. So 101 into 01, if we remove the decimal, it will become 10,101 upon 100. And if we remove the decimal from 0.01, it will become 1 upon 100. Now we will multiply the numerators first. So it will become 10,101. Now the denominators, so it will become 10,000. So the answer will be 1.0101. 100.01 into 1.1. If we remove the decimal from 100.01, it will become 10,001 upon 100, and 1.1 will become 11 upon 10. If we multiply the numerators, we will get 1,10,011 upon 1000. And so the answer will be 110.011. So this was exercise 2.6 of chapter 2, fractions and decimals of class 7. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us in Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn, or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.